Greetings, everyone. I am Hannah Christine de la Cruz Pata, a second year nursing student from Southwestern University, FEDMA. And today, I am with Venskar Malayan, my trainee. He is my cousin. So today, I'm gonna share my experiences and the overview of what we are going to do. So, starting a fitness program may be the one of the best things you can do for your health. Physical activity can lower the risk of long-lasting disease and improve balance and coordination. It can help with weight loss, sleep, and self-esteem. An exercise program that is tailored specifically for your needs is a great way to stay physically and mentally fit. It also provides additional benefits such as improved coordination of heart and lungs, increased muscular strength, endurance, and motor fitness, better coordinations and agility and flexibility, increase energy levels, improve immunity, increase physical confidence, improve sleep, improve general and psychological well-being, greater self-confidence and self-esteem, improve social life. And to share my experiences with my past PE classes, so to sum up with my experience from PE1 and PE2, I would say I am generally happy and I had fun, especially in PE2. It was a great experience to be part of it and being on it because at first I was able to play what my sport really is, and it gave me quite of a comfort from being from stress at schools. I always look forward about it and it gave me motivation as well. So I would ask my trainee if what is his insights.
Activities. This gave me motivation to push myself a little bit more and set a goal to keep me pushing in the better line. That exercise is something we should look forward for ourselves.
Thank you, trainee.
Today, I will be interviewing someone who's deeply close in my heart, and we will talk about her experiences and journey in engaging in physical activities. Today, a friend of mine will be joining us. She used to study here at Southwestern University FINMA 2 back before her senior high school days. And she will be continuing her studies at CIT and taking up nursing. So, hi, Kulai.
Hi everyone, I'm Kalai and I'm currently residing in Karkar City. Today I'm delighted to be Hannah's guest and I'm excited to share my journey as a dedicated exercise enthusiast.
We are all excited to know your journey, Kalai. So I prepared some questions here for you to so we can be motivated to do the same thing as you do. Why did you choose this lifestyle?
Okay, so since the start of pandemic, I made a conscious decision to adopt to this kind of lifestyle, even though I used to be quite inactive due to laziness. However, I really wanted to pursue a healthier lifestyle and improve my body figure, so I committed to working out regularly.
So like everybody kind of
Yes.
exercise sa atong pandemic era, but some people just last man standing as they said.
Yeah.
So, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activities? Like, what is your purpose?
My turning point came when I realized how unhealthy I had been and how little I had prioritized my health. So, and the pandemic also made me realize the emotional and physical toll it took on me, prompting me to start engaging in physical activity. And my purpose for this is to really give my body what it needs and to focus on improving my overall well being.
Oh, that's so amazing and
Yeah.
inspiring. So, next one is what keeps you motivated, like especially like daghan kaayo kang kuan temptation sa daplin-daplin na, hala, di na lang ka mag-exercise for
Yeah.
today.
Kay matapol or something like that.
Yeah.
So to be honest, I struggle with motivating myself to work out too. However, what has kept me going with this kind of lifestyle are the goals that I have set for myself, and it is to be healthy, to be fit, to feel good about myself, and to have a good body figure. That's all.
Good body figure. Everyone dreams about it. As
You
a
go.
regular exerciser, what will you tell to a person with no interest in engaging in physical activity, like zero interest at all?
Someone who exercises regularly, my advice to a person uninterested in physical activity would be to reflect on what aspect of themselves they want to change first. So, like by embracing a healthier, sustainable, and enjoyable lifestyle, and by setting small, achievable goals, which can lead them to have a positive exercise routine. And also, when you exercise regularly, it can really help you to enhance your health more, and it could also boost your energy level and can reduce your emotional stress. But it all has to begin with taking the first step with you yourself.
Yeah. First step is the hardest step. So
Yeah, because you
good
have
luck.
to with yourself. So yeah.
So with all that, like what is your exercise routine, daily routine?
Okay, so it's just easy. So like before I start working out, I always take a minute, like 6 minute warm up routine, so that dili magpamaol, you know. And like for Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, I do whole body Pilates workout, and I do it with inner thigh exercises afterwards. And for Tuesdays and Thursdays, I focus on my ab workout and also a 10-minute cardio workout.
So I thought Chloe finger atang tanan. Dili di ay. It was amazing knowing the little background of how you've like pursued as a being one of the regular exercisers, since it's really hard, since especially na pag ulang tagabalik sa school,
Yeah.
senior high, like
It's
lisod
also
jud
very
kaayo
hard.
na i-maintain siya. As you said, sustainable. Is it sustainable? Yeah, no. Like, it depends on a person how she can
Yeah, it depends.
manage his or
Managing
her
time.
time.
Mhm.
Do you play sports, or you have like sports? Do you play at the
I'm
moment?
not really the kind of person who's into sports, but I enjoy playing badminton on when it's boring or I don't have anything to do. Yeah.
Okay, I accidentally asked that guy. I tend to get like exercise lang if I play sports. Like, yeah.
Oh,
you know.
yeah. Yeah, playing sports is also like a workout thing. Mm.
So yeah. But it would not be daily for me because I would not play sports every day. Especially
Yeah.
that we're in medical field, guys.
And we're busy, so we always study and we always read.
Read and study, and I don't know how to put time
Or like
for workout.
eating.
Or I'm too lazy just to work out. I just need to sleep. That's
Yeah.
what I need. So thank you for that, Nicole, and thank you for sharing your
You're
story
welcome.
to
I'm
us.
so
And
happy to share my journey with all of you
okay,
guys.
it was so insightful, and I hope that everyone who watches this would be also motivated
Motivated, yeah.